watching a master at work.
Number 4. This one right here going to the big key winner number 4. Coming from the big key winner number 3. Stevie olive oil. So if y'all want to see it, $30,000 on top of the key.
$30,000 on top of the key.
Yeah. Shout out to the sponsors. Rain Vodka. Rain Vodka. That's my vodka. Olive oil. What else on here? Rick Ross Car Show. Big Key Stevie TV. Check it on YouTube. It's more like my personal life and stuff. And Olive Oil versus the world. You know, that's where we going. What up, G-Dub?
What up,
man?
Appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. So, yeah. You know, so I'm going to just troll them right now. I'll be back.
Excuse me. So this is coming from you?
No, it's a side bet. I just got to hold it off. I got to hold it off.
Actually took it back apart, reading the whole thing. More molded, more flow, and did a couple extra things. It was crazy on the interior. I got a little special.
got two now. Holy Ghost. Hold up, boy. I see your mama. I see your auntie. I see everybody. They told me that you'll give me my 20%. I'm taking somebody out.
Phone ringing, gotta be the Mexican. Phone ringing, gotta be the Mexican. Being dead broke is the root of all evil. Get money, my nigga.
Body mouth. We Versace in the body mouth. Boy, look at that. The body mouth all Versace shit. Yeah, none of them shit. Versace all gold, these done shit. All the control arms is green, homie. See the seatbelt buckle. Seatbelt buckle. Them bitches even Versace with cold cap on. When we did trap love. When we did trap love in the alley back there. Remember back there? Yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about. Yeah, that's the driver. Give me a thing. You got to move. That was size two. It came so clean. I couldn't do that. I had to put that black back on. We cream. Look at the bumper stops. Days ago. Look at this motherfucker, man. We built this car. We left the top 5 car show. They hated on the car because the car won, because we didn't have it all set up and shit. But look at it. If we would have set it up out there and displayed it, it wouldn't have been here today. So we couldn't show you everything because it ain't what you can show, it's what you can hide. And y'all know me. I'm a grudge racer. So abracadabra. Look at the Holy Ghost. 1975, 2-owner car. Look at this bad motherfucker, man. 120 days ago, this car was in a box. Frame, suspension, engine, paint, interior, all the molding, everything matching inside the Caprice sign, the brakes, the top box, inside her booty cheeks. Come here, man. Come check this shit out. Inside her booty cheeks even tattooed, man. Come on, man. Be real, man. You know what killed Bobby Brown and Whitney? That white. Look at that motherfucker, man. Check this bad motherfucker out. Look up under here. We engraved a dry shot. That bitch said Holy Ghost. All gold and chrome Molly dry shot. This ain't no bullshit. This shit holds 2,000 horsepower. And we engraved that motherfucker. U-joints, everything. The yoke from the drive shafts, the transmissions engraved, the control arms. Reach down there and look down there on the control arms. Them bitches engraved. Look at the rear end. Look at the flow in this bitch. All the way down the side. We even got gold leaf in this motherfucker. Look at this bitch. This bitch gold leafed up all the way down the frame. Stainless steel exhaust, all polished. No seams. Real deal, man. This shit's the real deal. And we'll get on a bitch's ass if they get out of line. If you want these real deal Daytons, see these right here? B24s, and we keep them spinning. Yes, sir. Look at them. Yeah, them motherfuckers spin. This is the real deal. And if you ain't spinning, you ain't winning. Trust me. Look at this bad motherfucker, man. This deal, man. And the whole thing about it, a girl designed this bitch. A girl designed this motherfucker, man. This ain't ours. This ain't ours. We just did this for what's going on, man. Check this motherfucker out, man. Look at this shit. Everything done. Yeah. Check them out. Sandman Design. You can't forget about the Sandman Design. Yep, it's here. It's there. Oh yeah, it's all Versace up too. Yeah, check them out. Check them out. In the dojo, all that. Yeah. It's there. And you can't forget about the Holy Ghost. It's lit up for you. It's lit up for you.
All right, YouTube, what y'all think, man?
Lit up for you. Yeah.
Holy Ghost did not come to play.
And we step it, and we spin the beat. Trust me. Trust me. Better come up front. Look at these motherfuckers, man. Them bitches even inside there. Matching the paint, all that shit painted and matched. Oh, look at that motherfucker. It's pearl in there. Don't think it ain't. That shit got the real paint inside, not no paintbrush. That motherfucker sprayed. Look at this grill, all billet. Look at this motherfucker. Yeah. Shit painted all inside. Look at that motherfucker. Ooh wee, baby. Jesus Christ. You know it say you gotta say Hollywood. No, it says Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost. HG, baby. Check them out. Look at this hood, man. Look at these motherfuckers all painted, all done. Look at this bitch. Look at this motherfucker. All the way to this. Versace. Holy Ghost engraved. All 24 karat dip. No one shit. You know we keep that. That real jewels, man. That real deal jewels. Shit, I forgot to tell you about that. Everybody got billet pulley systems, right? From Wagner. Hey, shout out to Wagner, man. You can't take nothing from Wagner. Everybody's running them, but we had to go a little more custom. So we called them and told them, man, we want Dayton pulleys. Look what they did for us. Real deal Dayton. All Versace engraved, all that. Look at that shit. Look at the engraved on the boat, man. Look, it's all engraved. Made sure we put the chrome, because we do chrome and gold. You know, that platinum and the gold is there. Look at the bumper stocks. Look at these bump stocks. Look at these motherfuckers, man. Look at this shit. It ain't like an ad. All Allen key, 24 karat gold buttons to hold everything nice and tight. Look at this bad motherfucker.
Hey, man, them boys ain't come to play. There you have it, man. Holy Ghost.
It's the Holy Ghost, man. And you know why we say it's the Holy Ghost? It was 55% chance of rain. Look up. Rose, we at Rose. The Holy Ghost changed that, man. They wanted y'all to see this motherfucker.
120 days.
120 days. We left the top 5 show and took this car apart. Took it apart because everybody was crabbing. So we made sure we came here correct today. Check it out. And a girl designed it. She designed it.
I still can't give her that damn. That one can't transmission cover.
Check out all the clothes, man.
For the guy, I think my show is on this right. You know I'm breaking the rules.
It's some bad mama jammer. Look at the body mount. See the body mount bullshit? That's all Versace. That's all Versace in there, man. Don't think we forgot about those. Hell no, them bitches done. We got a car park match. Look what we did. We got the golf park match and every net and boat on this motherfucker.
We gotta feel like it's in my soul. Got shot down my ride, I'm feeling I've been sitting low. Put 24 tomorrow, gotta come through trouble, ride and roll. Got a big hook in this bitch, we can go outside without that tent. Like my keys with that tent. We win and I got some respect.
You gotta have it great.
I'ma come through 95.
If it ain't great,
Holy Ghost, so let go. We got correct. Better show the 75 respect. Yeah.
What's the name of that?
That's called header shield. Same thing the fucking Lambos and Ferraris be using. It drops the temperature down by 300 degrees. They be tapping, look. Twin turbo. Look at the bottom now. That's this gold now. The bottom is bottom crown tag. Bottom crown tag down here and up here.
Take a picture.
Set up now.
Take a picture with you.
motherfucking decide. So you gotta motherfucking salute everybody that was considered for this Donk of the Year. Y'all ready right now? Slippery Soap Donk of the Year. Drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. Bobby Brown. Flacco. Ricky Rose. Hot Manual Car Show. Slippery Soap Donk of the Year. Bobby Brown. Flacco. Congratulations.
This year, man.
Who did that shit? That Death Row shit?
What? Death Row, no whole shit. Somebody shit.
I ain't got no rags.
Hey, Ron.
Get that check.
You gotta go get the check. Hold on, take a picture real quick, man.
You are watching a master at work.